Arcfra Cloud Operating System, ACOS, is the key module of Arcfra Enterprise Cloud Platform, AECP, forming the foundation of AECP with Arcfra Operations Center. It integrates Arcfra Virtualization Engine and Arcfra Block Storage, providing essential virtualization and storage services. It also supports integration with VMware, allowing users to use ESXi as the virtualization engine under the framework of ACOS. Based on Arcfra Virtualization Engine, ACOS supports complete virtualization capabilities, including VM lifecycle management, GPU pass-through and vGPU, intelligent placement, VM high availability, dynamic resource scheduling, etc. Based on Arcfra Block Storage, ACOS supports comprehensive data high availability, such as replica and erasure coding strategies, automatic detection and repair for data integrity, etc. It provides data protection from data block, disk, host, rack, and site levels. Its high performance is achieved with fully distributed architecture and capabilities such as boost mode, RDMA protocol, volume pinning, hot-cold data auto-tearing, etc. Starting from 3 nodes, you can instantly build a small-scale cluster on any compatible server and easily finish the deployment process through an intuitive UI guide. When additional computing or storage resources are needed, new hosts can be added seamlessly to the cluster, supporting heterogeneous hardware integration. ACOS will then automatically rebalance the capacity. For upgrades or new features, you can easily upgrade the cluster through the Upgrade Center on Arcfra Operations Center, where you can check the cluster's upgrade histories and available versions and complete the online upgrade with a single click. In a real production environment, you may encounter complex failure scenarios, such as server downtime, disk failures, and network disruptions. ACOS offers VM high availability to ensure business continuity, automatically rebuilding VMs on a healthy host once issues occur on the original one. It also provides automatic data recovery to safeguard data integrity during any disruptions. In addition to automatic failure handling, ACOS delivers comprehensive observability through metrics, tracing, and logging, along with visualizations like network traffic mapping. By monitoring both east-west and north-south traffic across virtualized, container, and physical networks, it automatically generates real-time traffic flow topologies between virtual machines. This enables prompt alerts and precise identification of typical network performance issues. This powerful observability provides users with clear insights into the system's health, performance, and the root causes of any software or hardware issues, helping users quickly pinpoint problems or carry out preventive maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Based on ACOS, by simply installing our cloud service add-ons, you can easily access enhanced capabilities in file storage, network security, Kubernetes management, and data protection. The control planes of these add-ons are installed in virtual machines instead of ACOS, allowing the foundation to maintain high reliability and security, and enabling all the service add-ons to evolve flexibly. All these add-ons can be uniformly managed at Arcfra Operations Center. Explore more about ACOS at arcfra.com.